Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing command access and the exact player identity you'll use for the penguin head. Use an operator account or enable cheats so you can place a command block. This is faster and prevents plugin conflicts. Once done, open chat to test simple commands like /give to confirm permissions and place a command block near a safe area. Make sure to store backup items in a chest and note the player name or UUID because the shell texture depends on that identifier. Next, craft the actual /give command that spawns a custom player head with the penguin skin. You'll embed a skull owner JSON tag containing properties, a value with base 64 encoded texture data pointing to the penguin skin. Use an online encoder or the game's resource to generate that string. This is why the UUID alone won't suffice. Once created, paste the entire command into the command block and run it. If the head appears with the penguin texture, you know the encoding and syntax are correct. Finally, place the penguin head and inspect it from multiple angles to confirm the texture loaded correctly. If you don't see the penguin, make sure the base 64 string is complete and that quotation marks and brackets are properly escaped inside the command. Small syntax errors break the texture. Once fixed, you can duplicate the command or automate via dispensers. One key troubleshooting tip: if the head shows as Steve or blank, swap to a known good test texture to verify command formatting before re-encoding your penguin skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.